Hello YouTubers, this is a video for CLE 2024 version onwards. They actually slightly changed the combinations of buttons you have to use in order to actually disable the keyless go feature on the keys. So in this video I'm going to explain to you how to do that so that people can understand. To help you view this, I've actually slowed this down to 10% the normal playback speed so you can actually see what I'm doing. But I firstly start off by pressing the lock button and keeping that button held. Then straight away after doing that, I press the unlock button twice, and on doing that the car will then proceed to lock. You can tell by actually seeing the actual lights flash 3 times. However, I've heard at least on older models that this will actually flash 4 times on some cars. So from the CLE at least onwards, this still only does flash 3 times, which is exactly the same amount which will occur when you just lock the car normally without disabling the key. Pressing any button on the key reactivates the key. Then just to check that it has actually worked, I'll go to check, and as you can see, yep, no longer is it working and it's been activated correctly. And this is the same clip in real time. Now, even shooting this video, I found that I wasn't able to do this first time, and that just shows you just how tricky this actually is to do. So you really do have to concentrate on what you're doing, and I suppose over time it does get easier, but as I found on this occasion, on the third occasion, I did eventually get there, but it did take me a couple of times to get it right. Sometimes you can go to unlock it like it just did there. Other times it can take you several attempts, which is rather frustrating. Let me know in the comments below whether you found this video useful. Hopefully you did get something out of this. It is quite a useful video, at least it was for me to find out this information after having the car for about a month, finally working out exactly what they meant in the instructions about doing exactly what I've shown you, and working it out and actually getting it to work after trying and a few times to do that, and it just wasn't going anywhere. So if you do like this video, do please like the video, because then it helps other people hopefully find this video too. And also, if you do want any further videos on how to do anything else with the CLE, then do let me know. Also, this video does actually help the C Class users as well, as the actual key on the C Class is the same key, although there can come in 2 different variations, so I found out recently. One is a very shiny key, which I've been advised is the very top of the range in these cars. And there's also the one that you've seen today where it's slightly buffed, so it's less shiny, kind of like a matte finish. This is James signing out, and have a good day.